Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Vanir 185 in League of Legends. Now, this is a connection error and it may be caused by leaving your game client open for more than 7 days, or if you have been using your friend's PC or someone else's PC other than your main and then you forgot to log out. So the first thing you want to do is click here on profile, click sign out, and you want to sign out of every other account. And once you relog into your client, you can also do the same on Riot Games. You type in Riot Games on Google and you want to click on Riot Games, and then you click login and you log into your account and go to settings and scroll all the way down till you find account management, and then it says here log out of everywhere, and it will log you out of every single PC or whatever you logged in. After you've done that, you want to exit out of this, go back to search, type in run. In run, you want to type in this services on MSC, click OK. Click somewhere here, press the V on your keyboard till you find VGC. You want to double click on it. If this is set to manual, you want to switch it to automatic. Click apply, click OK. Exit out of this, go back to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall. Once you're in here, click allow another app. Click change settings, allow another app, click browse, go to local disk C, go to Riot Games, add Riot Client to the list. I already have it. For you to add it, go back to browse, Riot Games again, League Client, add this 29.770, open add. I already have it also. And you want to go back to local disk C, program files. Scroll till you find Riot Vanguard, open it, and then click here VGC, Vanguard user mode service, add OK. And then find it here on the list and make sure to tick both private and public. Allow launcher and Riot Client. After you've done that, you want to exit out of this. I'll minimize this. And the next thing you want to do is go back to search, type in system configuration. Click services, click hide all Microsoft services, scroll till you find VGC, untick it, take it back again, click apply, click OK. And it will ask you to restart. Now, there's one more thing you can try to fix the issue, which apparently helps some people. And that is, you want to right click on Task Manager, click on services, click here VGC, type in here, right click on it, and then click start if it's stopped. You want to exit out of this, open Riot Client. After the client opens, you want to put your login credentials, but don't click this. Don't click stay signed in. Apparently that causes this issue also, so you have to manually type in your login and password every time you load the client, but that should hopefully fix your issue and the VAN 185 won't come up again. Anything else that you have that it could work, type in down in the comments. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Vanir 185 in League of Legends. Subscribe if you want to join the giveaway, comment. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.